This is truly the most unique project I've worked on in my 47 years.
City of Euclid Water Reclamation Renovation Project started back in 2012 when the City of Euclid, US EPA, and Department of Justice entered a consent decree. They would renovate the plant to take it to a 66 million gallon a day plant. The hardest part of that project was keeping the existing plant operating while the construction was going on for the renovation.
We did it all within the existing structures, so no houses needed to be taken down.
This project was taking a plant that was a high-rate, pure oxygen activated sludge treatment plant and converting it to membrane bioreactors.
Treat sewage in a smaller unit process. You eliminate clarifiers and filters with the membranes. All the effluent that goes to the lake is extracted through membranes, virtually near drinking water level. It looks like tap water.
We did not have accurate records of what was underneath the ground here. We knew there was going to be challenges. That's where Verdantas was able to take daily challenges and find solutions.